Hello and welcome. My name is Simona Marincei and I am the head of Intelligent Enterprise for SME and part of the SME product management team. This course aims to provide you a strong foundation of best practices on how to create and use your own predictive business scenario with Machine Learning Cockpit for SAP Business by Design. This is done by going through a wide range of use cases from opportunity success prediction to customer payment delay prediction or delivery delay prediction. For obtaining the best results, we recommend you first to enroll to the Open SAP course, How to Use the Machine Learning Cockpit for SAP Business by Design. The content here is aimed for both business user and citizen developer or partner who plan to use predictive analytics and machine learning to augment SAP Business by Design. The course will be presented by various SAP Business by Design and SAP HANA Predictive Analytic Library experts covering a large range of business and technical content for you. This nutshell course will be open for 5 weeks. You can get access to the entire learning content and you can do the course assignment anytime during this period. The learning effort is for 5 hours in total. Each unit of this course is accompanied by a hands-on exercise which is optional but highly recommended for your full understanding of the content. For this, you will be offered with multiple demo systems in the preparation week from which you can choose one which will be available for you during the entire duration of this course. In case that you are having questions or you want to share your thoughts, we invite you to join our discussion forum and meet other students, SAP experts, and of course, your instructors. If you earn the required points in the course assignment, you will earn a course certificate called Record of Achievement and also a digital badge that you can share across your social networks. Enroll now. We definitely look forward to meet you there. Goodbye.